Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the polymer technology and sedimentation and viscosity average molecular weight બાબતે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે ડેરિવેશન જોઈ ગયા હતા. આપણે સિમ્પલી ધીસ ઇઝ અ પાર્ટ જનરલાઇઝેશન્સ ફોર ધીસ ઇક્વેશન્સ ફોર અ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પાર્ટ ફોર ધીસ ડેરિવેશન્સ. લાસ્ટ ઇક્વેશન આપણે આ ડિરાઇવ કર્યું હતું. ઓકે, નાવ the important point: sedimentation and viscosity average molecular weight. Okay, apart from यानी कि molar average यानी कि number of average molecular weight, this one, and second one weight average molecular weight, this is the second one. Now there are other ways of expressing the molecular weight based on the sedimentation and flow behavior of the polymer in a solution. They are Z average molecular weight यानी कि MZ. Okay, this formation, and viscosity average molecular weight यानी कि M bar B. અત્યાર સુધી આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે यानी कि M and bar is the number of average molecular weight and M W यानी कि weight average molecular weight. Second one, the Z यानी कि viscosity Z average molecular weight and viscosity average molecular weight यानी कि MV, this one. Now for MZ is equal to summation Ni Mi cube divided by summation Ni Mi square and MV यानी कि viscosity average molecular weight MV expressed as this formation. Which formula? This one. MV is equal to, in a bracket, summation Ni Mi raised to 1 plus A and the 1 by A whole bracket. Then divided by summation Ni Mi. What is the Mi? The molecular weight part. Okay. Now the continuous section. In this case, two equations. Ni is the before the number of molecular having the molecular weight. The present in the sample of A is a variable. Which one? Its value ranging from the 0.5 to 1. For which one? Number of average molecular weight and viscosity of average molecular weight. This equation which relate intrinsic viscosity of zeta with the viscosity average molecular weight. C section is at 12.6. Okay, we will deal with experimental techniques used for determining molecular weight. The concept of the will surface here to know that light scattering, osmotic pressure is viscosity and unreacted methods are used on the which one? Four terms. The first one is a weight average molecular weight, number of molecular weight, viscosity is molecular weight, and the respectively this all the term. Okay, simply this is a sedimentation and a viscosity average molecular weight no part. Okay, the apart from molecular weight, which one? The Mn, number of molecular weight, and a weight of molecular weight is a two terms. Is a simply title is above mentions already, and there are Z average molecular weight and the Mz is a viscosity average molecular weight expressed in these two terms. Okay, these two terms. Okay, this derivation part. Okay, important section, this one and this one. Which one? Mz is equal to summation Ni Mi cube divided by summation of Ni Mi square. The M bar B is equal to summation Ni Mi raised to 1 plus A by summation Ni Mi in a whole bracket 1 by A. Okay, in the simple discussion part for this graph, Which one? The method are used to get weight of average molecular weight, number of average molecular weight, this to viscosity and selectivity sum for a respectively part. Okay. Now, topic is a 3.4 molecular weight and the degree of polymerizations. Okay, the briefly all the section 1.3 that the size of the polymer molecule depend on these ways of a repeat unit it contains, and that this number of represent the degree of polymer and the polymerizations. For instance, if there are 1000 repeat unit in a polymer molecule, the degree of polymerization is 1000. DP provide another way of expressing the molecular weight as follows. The which equations? This one. Okay. Which one? M is the molecular weight and dp is the degree of polymerization, and molecular weight of the monomer or the repeat unit. All two sections is there for molecular weight and degree of polymerization sections. Which one? We have briefly remarked in the section 1.2 that have the polymer molecule depend which terms is the 1000 repeat unit of the polymer molecules, and the degree of polymerization is 1000, and dp is the degree of polymerization. Provide another way and the expressing the molecular weight as follows. This equation. Okay, so what is the m? The molecular weight, degree of polymerizations. Okay, where m is the molecular weight and a degree of polymerizations, and the both dp and molecular weight are related to the molecular size, and hence like this name of the both weight dp can be average over in the size of the samples, and the number average and average degree of polymerizations can be definited and defined is a manner similar to that which sections are defined earlier these formations. Okay, the first of all they write down this all the formations. The first one this one, second one this term, third one this one. Okay, all note down this point in your notebook. Which one is a molecular weight formations part. Okay, the m is equal to dp dot multiply m, where m is the molecular weight of the polymer, dp is the degree of polymerization, and the molecular weight of this monomer or the repeat unit. both dp અને molecular weight છે એ બંનેને કોરિલેટેડ છે, यानी कि molecular size છે, and hence like the same weight degree of polymerization यानी कि dp can also be average weight over the size of the samples, and the number of average degree of polymerizations can be defined a manner similar to that the which mw यानी कि weight average molecular weight, and I defined earlier this point for the two derivations part, यानी कि degree of polymerization यानी कि d bar multiply p suffix में p in the terms of n terms માટે number of degree of polymerizations is equal to summation ni multiply dp यानी कि degree of polymerizations, and the dp weight of molecular weight is equal to summation ni dp I square and the divided by summation ni dp I. Each of these average can be related to the corresponding molecular weight following two equations. Okay, the corresponding molecular weight average the following two equations. Mn is equal to dp multiply this m यानी कि molecular weight sections. Okay, so all these point note down this all terms. This one dp is equal to the summation ni dp and the mn is equal to this all term, and the polydispersity and the molecular weight distribution in a polymers ના આ સેક્શન્સમાં આપણે જોઈશું this one part. તો અત્યાર સુધીમાં આપણે જોઈ ગયા તે જોઈ લઈએ એકવાર this section. Apart from the mn and mw, there are two other ways for expressing the molecular weight. બરાબર, હવે જોઈશું આપણે આવ્યું polydispersity and molecular weight in a polymer. Simply this is the theoretical part. It may be recalled that the simple chemical compound that contains molecule each of which has the molecular weight monodispersed, whereas the polymer contains molecules each can have different molecule weight as a polydispersed system monodispersities, and a polymer can be represented as shown in figure. In the figure but discuss કરીશું આપણે ફિગરમાં this one show and draw in the way. Now the concept of representation of a monodisperse and a polydisperse system છે with respect to molecular weight ના બેસિસ પર. ઓકે, તો આ જે ટર્મ છે this one and this one, which one is the monodisperse system and a polydisperse system? Okay, this one. Now all molecules are same size for a chemical compound like H2O यानी कि water, alcohol or monodisperse systems, and molecules are of a different size for polymers as polydisperse system for a different way માટે. Okay, is the molecular weight અને size માટે છે. Is a conceptual representation of a monodisperse and a polydisperse system. A dispersity is with respect to molecular weight. This is the system discussion part all this way. Okay, all notifications for which one a molecular weight distribution આપ્યા છે કર્વ માટે. So hypothetical polydispersed polymer sample. For details see that. હવે આ જે ગ્રાફ છે જે નંબર ઓફ મોલિક્યુલર વેઇટનો ગ્રાફ અને મોલિક્યુલર વેઇટ, તો ડિફરન્ટ વેઝ mn mv mvm અને mz અત્યાર સુધી જેટલા બી પોઈન્ટ જોયા ત્યાં આપણે બરાબર એનો ઓલ એક સિમ્પલ ગ્રાફ આપ્યો છે તમે ડ્રો કરી લો. ધીસ ટર્મ important. Okay, now this is a simple way for sample 1 and sample 2. Different polydispersities for sample 1, obviously has a narrower dispersion pattern and hence the polydispersity than the sample 2 for Ni and Mi. This basis is the molecular weight distribution and the curves of two volume. Okay, all these terms with but different polydispersities. Thank you so much.